This mini split delivers strong cooling and heating for medium-sized rooms, keeping spaces comfortable in both summer and winter without hot or cold spots. Its inverter compressor and modern refrigerant are tuned for impressive energy efficiency, so it maintains set temperatures without frequent cycling or big power spikes. Multiple operating modes, a wide range of fan speeds, and a 24-hour timer make it easy to tailor airflow and temperature to your daily routine and sleep schedule. Noise levels are pleasantly low for both the indoor and outdoor units, which makes it well suited for bedrooms, home offices, and other quiet spaces. Wi-Fi, app, voice control, and the included handheld remote give you flexible ways to adjust the system from the couch, the next room, or even away from home. Self-cleaning, automatic defrost, washable filters, safety certifications, and a long warranty on major components all contribute to easier upkeep and long-term reliability.